I'm assuming people are having trouble with 5.3 practice A because not a lot of people are turning it in. And so I want to show you how to go through this and some easy tips on how to complete this. The main point of this, though, is that you understand what's happening with the kinetic energy and the gravitational potential energy, because that is what's going to help you on your summative exit ticket that you have for this folder. So the first one here I want to show you is that if you tap there, you can open that in Safari. You can have two windows open like I do. And I want you to notice that you are going to, your roller coaster needs to stop at these points: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in order to fill out all of the information that's in here. Okay? And when you open up the app in Safari, or the page, I'm sorry, in Safari, if you press play, it will go all the way through the entire roller coaster ride. But if you press step right here, it'll only bring you to the steps that you need to go to get the information. And one thing that I learned last year is that if you take a photo of your screen and just capture what you need as far as the circle, all right, you could just copy and paste it into Notability. And so if I go to Utilities, Media, Photo Library, okay, all photos, here's the photo that I want, and I'm just going to move it right there. So, I don't know about you, but I like when things are easy. Also, you need some more information on this screen. It says kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is going to be 0. If the whole thing is red, then that means that the potential energy is taken over. So I'm going to put 0. And then the gravitational is going to be 100. And what you want to notice is the total energy, kinetic and gravitational energy, if you add those two together, it should equal 100% for the total energy. And then the velocity here is 3 meters per second, because it says it under kinetic energy on the app there. Okay, so we'll go to the next one like that, and again I'm going to just take my photo and I'm going to make it just so that the circle's there, and I'm going to copy and paste it into Notability on my page. Okay, I'm say done, saved photos. And then here, go to my Utilities, add Media, Photo Library, all photos, get that one. And I'm going to, oops. Okay, I'm gonna move that into that circle right there. And so the total energy is 100%, but now kinetic energy is taken over, but I can't say that kinetic energy is 100% right there because there is a little sliver of potential energy, but I can do something like 98, right? And then GPE is 2% because those need to add up to be 100. And then my velocity is 20 meters per second. All right, so that's what you do for all of them. I would just go to 3 right here. I would take a picture, put it over here, look at that, and think about, like, okay, about how much of the circle is red and how much of it is blue. And then I would put that in here and just keep reminding yourself that it has to equal 100%. So I'd say about 80% of that is kinetic energy. And that would mean that 20% is GPE. The velocity there is 17 meters per second. And then take our screenshot and put that into our table here. And if you notice where the roller coaster is at each point, then you should be understanding that when the roller coaster is high, then it has more potential energy. And then when the roller coaster is closer to the ground, it has more kinetic energy. So that's really what you should be getting from doing this activity. Like the higher the roller coaster, or the little cart on the roller coaster, the more potential energy. The lower, the more kinetic energy. Okay, so I hope you guys this helps. If not, sorry. Please email me or Mr. Rife if you have any questions, but you should be able to get this done. All right, guys, bye.